Well, yeehaw everybody. Lots of stuff going on here at Okies Eden. We are busier than a cow's tail at fly time. Blow up is coming soon. Going to be finishing up the new fencing, putting on some cardboard wheat paper, moving and rearranging that whole situation over there, harvesting a pumpkin. We're gonna give a quick update on 25-foot row of my pole beans that are now sprouting, removing that cucumber plant, and then a general update on the situation with my first set of pumpkin plants, how good the second ones are now running, and that'll all be coming soon. So stay tuned as Okies Eden glow up is going to be happening.